Alright, strap in. Today, I'm taking you on a wild ride with a recipe inspired by real jet fighter pilots. We're talking high protein, high flavor, and fast, because when you're pulling G's, you need fuel that's as serious as your mission. Let's get into the cockpit and check our ingredients. 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, half a teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1 cup cooked quinoa, a handful of cherry tomatoes, half, a 1/4 cup of baby spinach, 1 tablespoon crumbled feta, and a squeeze of fresh lemon. Ready for takeoff? Here's how you do it, pilot style. First, lay out your chicken breasts and give them a quick briefing with olive oil, smoked paprika, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Rub it in. No shortcuts here. You want full flavor penetration. Fire up your pan, medium-high heat, just like an afterburner. Sear those chicken breasts for about 4 minutes on each side until they're golden and cooked through. Let them rest for a couple minutes. Trust me, patience is key for juicy results. While your chicken's cooling its engines, grab a bowl. In goes your cooked quinoa, cherry tomatoes, spinach, and feta. Give it a toss. Don't be gentle. Pilots don't do gentle. Slice up your chicken, lay it over the salad, and finish with a squeeze of lemon. This is not your average salad. This is a jet fuel meal. Packed with protein, healthy carbs, and just enough flavor to make you feel like you could break the sound barrier. So next time you need a meal that delivers Top Gun energy, you know what to do. Fuel up, eat up, and get back out there. I'll catch you on the next mission.